trees there. It's sparkling, it's shining. We walk all the way up the travertine, washed it out and stuff for them. So then behind, as you see, this is the Superb or Supreme Clean. When you call 916-549-5255 and make the number ring. Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC, for the Supreme Clean, 916-549-5255. And if you're in the Sacramento area, give us a call. You can come out and do a superb, spectacular, stellar service, as well as top-notch customer service. Nothing but the greatest reviews, next door, Yelp, Google Ads, and help make Old Terrain Cleaning Solutions stop shop for you. Here we are in Gold River, California, doing a gutter cleaning. And as you see here, we did the front side already. This side is clogged up here, leaves and debris. Got some pretty huge trees in the background. Okay, just towering over it. But yeah, visit us at allterrain.com, and we love to assist you and help you on your next cleaning.